Welcome to 60 Second Civics. We're joined once again today by Dr. Scott Casper, President of the American Antiquarian Society. Dr. Casper, what questions did the framers address in organizing the legislative branch?
The delegates were certainly concerned about legislatures going unchecked. That's the legislative tyranny concern, or rushing to judgment. They also raised the question of precisely how to grant powers to the national legislature, to the Congress. Should those powers, for example, be only enumerated powers, powers that were listed and beyond which the legislature could not go? They had learned from the Articles of Confederation that the problem with enumerated powers was that it left the legislature with very little possibility of enforcing the laws it passed. So they wanted to create some balance between enumerating specific responsibilities and powers of Congress and providing Congress with some kind of broader grant of power that allowed it to enforce or to legislate the enforcement of the powers that were listed. And that's how we get the necessary and proper clause of the Constitution. That is, Congress has the power to pass acts that are necessary and proper for exercising the foregoing powers.
You can find more interviews with Dr. Scott Casper in the We the People Open course, a free online course on the U.S. Constitution at learn.civiced.org. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.